Good evening. Yes, an historic announcement here in an historic venue.
Research England have awarded the University of Leicester £14 million towards Space Park Leicester and the METEOR project.
So we've had this idea of Space Park Leicester now for 4 years. When I came here, it was a gleam in the eye. Now we've raised £95 million. We're delivering Space Park Leicester. But this is going to transform our research efforts. It's going to put us at absolutely the core of global research in space science and Earth observation.
Space Park to Airbus means all around collaboration with the university and research partners, plus space-enabled partners that we have within the industry, looking at taking us forward into the new space era.
As a teacher at the university, I'm excited about the opportunities our students will have to work with many of you in the room with the world-class facilities you offer and also industrial placements to provide a smooth pathway for those that want to head to the space industry.
And it'll help us develop a relationship with the city where we're at the core of Leicester. This is Space Park Leicester, Space City Leicester.